What's common between a 10-year-old government and a 14-year-old business news channel? Both get toppled by the people's favorite. CNBC TV 18, around for 14 years, has been voted out. ET Now, India's #1 business news channel.
From Chaiwala to RSS Sevak to 3-term Chief Minister to now the Prime Minister of the world's largest democracy. It was Narendra Modi's tryst with destiny as BJP emerged the single largest party in the 16th Lok Sabha elections. Crackers, dhol and dhamaka filled the air at the party's headquarters in Ashoka Road in New Delhi. With a total of 285 seats, BJP has hauled in the biggest tally ever by a single party since Rajiv Gandhi's landslide victory in 1984.
इस स्वतंत्र भारत के इतिहास में भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक ऐसी अकेली राजनीतिक पार्टी है जिसने कि कांग्रेस पार्टी से भी अपना पॉलिटिकल स्टेचर बड़ा करने में कामयाबी हासिल की है।
आज का जो मतदान है भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ है, कुशासन के खिलाफ है, डायनेस्टिक रूल के खिलाफ।
Today's thumping victory has made the need for any alliance completely redundant. A downcast Congress leadership took responsibility for the shocking rout.
Congress party has done pretty badly. There's a lot for us to think about. And as Vice President of the party, I hold myself responsible for what has happened.
Congress's dissemination was largely due to BJP's spectacular show in Uttar Pradesh, which gave 72 of its 80 seats to the Saffron Party. The shocker has been the M factor today, with the Modi magic working UP getting BJP 72 out of 80 seats there. The other two M's of Mulayam Singh Yadav and Mayawati, their impact were completely neutralized there, with BSP actually drawing a blank. The other M, on the other hand, Mamta Banerjee, has been left sulking with over 30 MPs in West Bengal. In fact, today saw the complete dissemination of ambitious satraps like Nitish Kumar and Naveen Patnaik. Their hopes of ruling the roost as third front now remain unrealized.
अन्य राजनीतिक पार्टियों के नेताओं को भी जो सफलता प्राप्त हुई है, मैं उन्हें भी अपनी तरफ से हार्दिक बधाई देना चाहता हूं।
The next few days will decide the nature and complexion of Narendra Modi's government. Many believe his will be the smallest cabinet that we have seen in recent years. Modi will be sworn in on Wednesday as India's 14th Prime Minister and the firstborn after independence. Suchetna Ray and Nithya Balakrishnan, ET Now, New Delhi.